Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This Ashwati. In this video, I'm gonna show you all very simple and easy makeup look and a hairstyle which is gonna suit any kind of Indian ethnic wear. Usually, I do this kind of makeup and hairstyle for my kurti, and salwar looks. So without any delay, let's get started. First, I'm gonna use aloe vera gel and just apply it all over my face because it protects our skin and also acts as a good hydrating moisturizer. And for lip balm, I'm gonna use this biotic lip balm which has got very light red color tint to it. And then I'm gonna use this plum moisturizer and sunscreen both together. I always prefer using a aloe vera gel before I use a moisturizer with a sunscreen. So that's the reason I used aloe vera gel first and then this sunscreen come moisturizer. Then I'm gonna use this Lakme primer. It has got a light pink shade to it which gives a brightening effect to our skin, which is good. For compact powder, I'm gonna use this sugar compact powder. All the shade name and other details will be mentioned in description box, so please do check that out. And then I'm gonna use this purple ka brown color kajal, which can be used as a eyebrow pencil as well because it is slightly it's not that creamy, so it acts very well as a eyebrow pencil as well. And also it's brown in color, so it suits perfectly. Now I'm gonna line my waterline and also upper lash line very not so perfectly because we are gonna smudge it, so that's fine. After that, using my finger, I'm gonna smudge it, both my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. And then I'm gonna use this Blue Heaven Ka sketch liner. It's very easy, guys, especially if you are a beginner who struggle to do wing liner. You can definitely try this out. It's jet black and it's very easy to work with, but the problem is it's not waterproof. So you if you have a very sweaty eyes, I think it won't work for you. But then if you have normal eyes, it's fine. Now for mascara, I'm gonna use this Faces Ka mascara. It's a good one, a normal mascara, nothing great, but then it's a good one. Then I'm gonna use this sugar blush. It's a very good blush, especially for dusky skin tone because it's a mauvey pink, so it suits dusky skin tone like me perfectly. So I've put on this blush and I'm gonna take off the excess lip balm, and I'm gonna take one lipstick out of this set. This is a 12 lipstick set from Steakworky. It has got a few nudes and reds, so I'm gonna apply one nude shade and I'm gonna take off the excess one, and then I'm gonna top it off with a reddish shade. Just the benefit is that since we have got these tiny little few lipsticks, we can actually customize the shade. We can just mix and match like this and create our own shade. And also it's just for 300 rupees. I think for 300 rupees it's good, especially if you are a beginner. You can definitely give it a try. After that, I'm gonna top it off with a compact powder because it is satiny matte, so I just want to make it completely matte. And also topping off with a powder would make it long lasting as well. Now for hairstyle, first I'm gonna take aloe vera gel and just I'm gonna apply it all over my hair because in that way it gives a nice shine, and also uh, it protects our hair from this dust, not dust, it protects our hair from this harsh sunlight. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take small chunks of hair like so, very small chunks, and then I'm gonna just twist it, and then I'm gonna put on a, what do we say, hair clip, tic tac pin, or like bobby pin. You can use anything of your choice and just secure it. That's it. So just keep on doing it. Take small section. Here we need not take any partition because we are gonna take small section all over our front section, and just twist it and secure it using a bobby pin. That's it. So after that, once you are done with it, you can actually just pull it a little bit so that it I mean it gives a little bit voluminous look. That's all up to you guys. Whichever way you want it, you can just do it in that way. Either you can just pull it and give a messy and voluminous look, or else you can just keep it like that and give a neat look. It's all up to you guys. And once it is done, our front section is completely done. So either you can leave your hair open, or if you want, you can put a pony. Here I'm gonna braid my hair. Either you can go for a three-strand braid, or else, as I'm doing right now, you can go for a fishtail braid as well. For that, just part your hair in two parts, two sections, and from one section take a very small section of hair and put it to other side, and from other side take small section of hair and put it to another side. Just keep doing like that, and when you reach at the end of the hair, just secure it with a hair tie or rubber band, something like that. And once it is done, you can see that it's very neat. So if you want it to be a little bit messier, and also if you want it to be a little bit more voluminous, what you can do is just pull your hair from sides like so. Just pull each and every braid like this, and that's it. Our hairstyle is ready. So it's very simple and easy. By the way guys, I have stitched this kurta by myself in just 15 minutes, so video will be up very soon. I think that coming video I'll be showing you guys how to stitch this kurta in just 15 minutes. Very easy and simple. And this earring I got from one of a grab box. Yeah, it's very nice earrings, no? So I really loved how it looked like. So please do wait for the coming video, this kurta stitching video. So that's it. If you have liked this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then it's bye bye, take care, and love you all. Mwah. Bye.